It's so cute. What else? So cute. Yeah, I saw this book. It's cute as well.
Until I have my coffee, I don't give info.
Cute. Okay, I've decided to make slime. Let's go. Do I use this glue? Okay, I'm gonna take 2 bottles of this glue. Okay, shaving foam. I don't think my dad needs it. He's bald. Take it. Okay, I think we're gonna get this for the slime container. It's a lot of slime.
Will it really be a lot? It just looks like
No.
2 bottles.
Yeah, look, so. Maybe it's like a container at home. I think there's a container at home.
Why not like a small one?
Small one. But I'll be wasting so much money. These.
This doesn't look worth it.
That one, this one, or it looks like it's worth $2.
Yeah, I get it. Whatever.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one. 'Cause I need that for my unboxings. And I think that's all we need. So we have our materials finally bought from the store. Hopefully that's shaving cream, I have no clue. These items. They were $2.60 each. Jeez, inflation. Yeah. Oh yeah, I already have borax, so I'll add that in water later. I'm gonna add water to make activator. Okay, that's enough. Hopefully. Okay. Peak YouTube, by the way. This is all from like Eco Shop. You can't tell. Second batch. Blue. Oh my. Okay, never mind. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Wait, Loki's is fine. Wait, Loki it is. So I managed to save it off camera, and we fixed everything. So I'm just gonna do this now. How I saved it was basically I added my old slime into the glue mixture and added a bunch of shaving foam, and it worked. Like, it saved it a lot, and I'm so grateful that I didn't give up and throw it away, because I would never have this. So yeah, that end of the video, I'll do the review for the Chachi one, like right after I clean this up. So